Murugamini munene wa kambuni ya Kenya Airways Sebastian Mikos augite ukunderu wa hathara ino umanite na wongerereku wa umithio wa kambuni iyo kuma hari muigana wa ciringi bilioni 52 nginya hari ciringi bilioni 50. Ndeto ino igicangirwo ni kuongereka kwa namba ya athii na gicunje gia 6.6 hari igana na gukinyiria athii milioni 2.3. Ona kuri oguo Mikos niacakaite kuongereka kwa mathogora ma maguta ma ndege undu uria ukoretwo uri thina munene hari kunyorotha murutire wa wira ruhonge-ini ruu.
We are out of the headlines for financial problems. We rather are trying to keep silent and just do the work that is necessary to be done. So it's a story of determination, but it's not the finished story. We are still on the way.
Thenge ya macio kambuni ino ninge ni yugite ni iraraniria na ministry ya ukui na niguo kurekerio matamu ma kuramata kiharo kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta muoroto-ini wa gutigirira kambuni iyo ni yongerera umithio.
This is a very important step for us, and it's a very important thing. It's a very important step to be successful.
Turi uhoro-ini ucio na kiharo kia Jomo Kenyatta nikirikitie gukindirwo ni ruhonge rwa kuramata thabari cia ndege rwa Amerika na niguo gutuma thabari cia imwe kwa imwe kuma guku bururi-ini nginya mucii wa New York bururi-ini wa Amerika kwambiriria tariki 28 mweri-ini wa 10 mwaka uyu. Mikos akauga ikinya riri ni rikuhotithia kambuni iyo kwihanda.
We're going to be the 5th African carrier to fly directly to New York, and I believe that Nairobi will be the 7th city only that has a direct connection, not even with New York, but just with the US. So I'm feeling really proud that we are entering the club of airlines which are present on the big markets.
Na muthia bururi wa Kenya kwina unyihu munene wa nyumba cia kuiga mirigo nicio warehouse undu uria ukoretwo ugitungia onjoria hathara nene. Kuringana na uthuthuria utafanitio ni gikundi gia tirisi gicunje kia 1/5 kia onjoria ni gikoretwo githiite hathara ya gicunje kia 31/100 undu uria riu ni ugwati hari gukinyaniria gukura kwa iganda.
Many companies have been using substandard warehousing in the last few years, and that is costing them heavily. Not in terms of rentals, but more in terms of what they're losing.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV, Jitago Wainaina, wa Kiarie.